Hello everyone, we are back with another new training, a new Oracle Real Application training batch. So this new upcoming batch is starting from 1st March 2024, 25. Basically, we are targeting a comprehensive training for mastering Oracle Real Application cluster. This is going to be a weekend batch. So I'll be sharing the complete information regarding this training within a few minutes of time frame. So agenda for this particular session that you'll be getting complete information regarding the training. What are the things that we are covering this in this entire training program? I'll be sharing the course detail, how you can do the registration, and why you should be going ahead with this training. All this complete information I'll be sharing. So please watch this video till the end to understand the complete process, and you can go ahead with this. So let's talk about the training. What are the things that we are looking at? First of all, we need to understand what is a real application cluster and what is its importance. If you already work on single instance database, or else if you have heard about Oracle real application cluster before, I'll be giving the quick basic example. So when we talk about Oracle RAC, basically we are talking about multiple computers running together and giving you the access to the single databases. It gives basically the fault tolerance, it gives the scalability, it provides the high availability features in case any of the servers which are running together having a problem or maintenance activity is going on. So how you can handle the other, how the other servers can handle the workload. That's the main benefit here. Even though scalability, which allows the enterprises to easily add resources as per their needs to grow the system. Okay, so this is like what you need to learn, like how the multiple system works together to provide the solution. Now, who should be joining this course? Basically, anyone who is already working as a Oracle database administrators, and any system admins who is looking to enhance this career knowledge in Oracle real application clustering, they can join. Any IT professional who is looking into skill enhancement and knowledge gaining with respect to Oracle real application cluster, they can also join. Any freshers who is looking for or aiming for the acquiring the new skills, they can also participate in this entire training program. Also, anyone who is looking to master Oracle RAC DBA, individual focusing mainly on Oracle RAC database administration, they are welcome to this particular training program. Now, what you'll learn from this course, basically this course will be covering various aspects with respect to database architecture, administration. Also, you'll be will be covering the complete guidance, like how you can implement grid infrastructure, ASM implementation, how you can do the complete end-to-end installation of RAC configuration. So during the configuration, what are the challenges and all those things will be covered in details. How to manage the nodes, performance tuning, backup recovery, patching, upgrade, and troubleshooting. So all those things will be covered in details. That is going to be your syllabus for this course. This entire training program will run like each session will is for 90 minutes. So we are looking and targeting somewhere around 12 to 15 sessions for entire training program, which means somewhere around like you can say months to 45 days. This entire training will be completed. So the architecture basically will give the complete knowledge about the architecture, high availability features, scalability features in real application clustering. We'll be covering the implementation parts. So you'll be getting hands-on experience on this particular real application cluster implementation. So I'll be giving the live demos during the session so you can follow the same. How to manage the nodes within the rack environments, like how you can add or delete the cluster nodes in the cluster. So all those things will be covering in this entire program. We'll talk about backup recovery strategies, how you can protect the data, how to take the backups from one source database and restore another target set. All those things will be covered in detail. So that's a thing. Performance tuning will talk about performance related stuffs within the RAC database, how you can make the load balancing in the real application cluster. What are the best practices that you should follow when you are dealing with RAC database? Very important topics like related to the patching and upgrades. So those things will be also covered in detail in this program. Troubleshooting. So as while you're working for any real application cluster, troubleshooting is a very key area that you should be aware about. So what are the key areas that you should be looking? We'll be covering some of the live demos. What are the log files you should be looking? So all the real world scenarios we'll try to cover in this training program. Let's try to understand what is the start date and timing for the training. As you have seen at the earlier slides, like this entire program is going to start from March 1st. The timing for the same is 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. India Standard Time, which means you are anywhere in the world you can join this training program according to your time. Basically, you just have to maybe use a Google Calendar, Google time converter to identify what will be the equivalent times at your time zone. But be you are at any location within the world, I think you should be able to join this course, whether you are in US location or maybe European countries or anywhere in the world. You can definitely convert your time and you can join these training programs. Now, what are the modes and course for fees for this particular? So, as I mentioned, this is going to be an online training. This entire training program will be a live training program via the Zoom application. So you'll be given a, so as soon as you do the registration for this training program, you'll be given a access to the Zoom link. Zoom invite will be sent to your respective email IDs, and using that you can basically connect and uh, follow the same in this entire training programs. So at the end of each of the trainings, you'll be getting a complete summary of each sessions, and also this entire training program has been designed in such a way that you can also pay this entire fees with affordable course fees. You can check the pricing part on our website. I'll be giving the links in the description of this video. If you're joining this batch early, I mean, I'll be getting some discount as well. So please do check that as well. So why you should choose this training program? So I mean, there are some reasons that I'll be giving, like why you should be getting this training program. So as I mentioned, like you'll be getting a recorded session for each of the training sessions, and as soon as you enroll for the course, you will be given a dedicated WhatsApp channel groups where you can ask for any query related to the training programs. Also, during this entire training program, you'll be given an expert training advice, like all the knowledge transition will happen from an industry experts with more than 12 years of experience in this arena. Also, this entire program will be live demos, which means you'll be getting a live practical sessions while this training is going on. So that's a key benefit of why you should be joining this training program. Okay. So yeah, you will be getting a live labs. You will be given a like some of the key skills with respect to this entire training programs, real world applications, skill applications. Lifetime access to all these sessions in the form of recorded sessions, so you can reuse that ongoing training in case if you are missing any of the training during this schedule. You might be using the recordings for the same. Also, as I mentioned, like doubt clearing and clarifications will be there, so you can always take the benefit of this also. Now the most important point, like how you can do the registration and further contact details. So the first important point, like if you want to do the registration, you should not wait until the last date, because the seats are very limited. I'll suggest you should visit our website, Oracle DBA online training.com. There you'll find under the training tab, there's a sub tab called RAC training. There you can go for a registration. or else I will be sharing this website link. You can directly click on the link and you'll be you'll get the direct registration page. Also, you can do the registration via our phone calls or WhatsApp channel. So if you are interested, you can just ping me on the given contact details, and I'll guide you through the process. You can write an email to our email ID for any question with respect to this training program. So before it's too late, you should do the enrollment for this course, because seats are very limited. I'll be suggesting that don't wait till 1st of March. I will recommend that you should do the registration as soon as possible. So again, you can visit our website as I mentioned. Once you visit to the website, you'll be getting a complete detail about this training programs. So whatever we have discussed, you can get the information with respect to the course and syllabus. Everything is given. Okay. And you can basically do the registration based on your location. So India based students, they can follow this link. Anyone else who is joining out of India, basically they can follow this particular link for registration process. So under the training tab, you need to basically visit the link here under Oracle RAC DBA Training. So that's how you can basically go ahead for a real application cluster training. I hope you understood this process. Looking forward for everyone to join this training program. Last but not least, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe for any Oracle DBA insight and tips and upcoming training updates. If you have any question with respect to this training program, this upcoming batch, you can always put your thoughts in the comment box and reach out to us directly on the given contact details. Please check the description of the video for more information. And thank you once again for watching this entire video. See you in the class. Have a wonderful day.